welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest trends and tips in beauty and fashion. Whether you're a seasoned fashionista or just exploring new styles, you've come to the right place. Today, we're focusing on one of the most dynamic and trendy hairstyles out there, the shaggy bob for short hair. This haircut has taken the fashion world by storm, and we're here to tell you why it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their style. From its versatility to its easy maintenance, we'll cover everything you need to know to decide if the shaggy bob is the right cut for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. The shaggy bob on short hair is more than just a haircut, it's a statement. This hairstyle combines the effortless cool of the classic bob with the edgy, textured layers of the shag cut, creating a look that's both modern and timeless. It's a bold choice for those who want to stand out, yet it's also surprisingly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of personal styles and preferences. The beauty of the shaggy bob lies in its ability to be both casual and chic, adapting seamlessly to different occasions and outfits. Let's start by talking about the key features of the shaggy bob. The hallmark of this hairstyle is its textured layers, which create movement and volume, giving your hair a fuller, more dynamic appearance. These layers are typically uneven and choppy, which is what gives the shaggy bob its signature shaggy look. This texture is perfect for adding dimension to your hair, making it look more voluminous and lively, even if your hair is naturally fine or straight. The shaggy bob also usually features a fringe, which can be styled in various ways, from straight across the forehead to side-swept or even curtain bangs. This flexibility allows you to tailor the haircut to suit your face shape and personal style. One of the biggest advantages of the shaggy bob is its adaptability to different hair textures. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly, this haircut can be customized to work with your natural texture rather than against it. For example, if you have straight hair, the shaggy bob can add much needed volume and movement, preventing your hair from looking flat or lifeless. If your hair is wavy or curly, the layers in the shaggy bob can help define your curls and reduce bulk, making your hair easier to manage while still looking stylish. This versatility makes the shaggy bob an excellent choice for anyone looking to embrace their natural hair texture while still keeping their look fresh and modern. Another reason the shaggy bob is such a popular choice is its low maintenance. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are looking for hairstyles that are easy to care for without sacrificing style. The shaggy bob fits this bill perfectly. Its textured layers mean that you don't have to spend hours styling your hair every morning. In fact, this haircut looks best when it's a little tousled and undone. This means you can simply wash and go, adding a bit of texturizing spray or mousse for added definition if needed. The natural, effortless look of the shaggy bob is part of its charm, making it ideal for busy lifestyles or those who prefer a more laid-back approach to beauty. That said, while the shaggy bob is relatively low maintenance, it does require some upkeep to keep it looking its best. Regular trims are essential to maintain the shape and structure of the haircut, as well as to keep the layers from becoming too heavy or uneven. Depending on how quickly your hair grows, you might need to visit your stylist every 6 to 8 weeks for a trim. It's also important to keep your hair healthy and hydrated, as the layered nature of the shaggy bob can make split ends more noticeable. Using a good quality conditioner and avoiding excessive heat styling can help keep your hair in top condition. The shaggy bob is not just about the haircut itself, it's also about how you style it. The beauty of this hairstyle is that it can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. For a casual, everyday look, you can simply let your hair air dry, allowing its natural texture to shine through. If you want to add a bit more polish, you can use a round brush while blow drying to create smooth, bouncy layers. For a more edgy, rock and roll vibe, you can use a curling iron to add loose waves and then tousle your hair with your fingers for a lived-in look. The possibilities are endless, and the shaggy bob's versatility means you can experiment with different styles until you find the one that feels right for you. Thank you so much for joining us today and exploring the world of special occasion hairstyles. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling inspired to try out some new styles for your next big event. Remember, your hairstyle is an essential part of your overall look, and with the right style, you can feel confident and beautiful all night long. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining.